Today I'm taking a look at the MulWark 63-piece S2 impact screwdriver bit set with Magnetizer. So it comes with a nice heavy-duty case. I do appreciate that. Actually feels like a solid piece of plastic. We've got a whole bunch of bits in here. You can see we do have that little rounded colored coating right there, so we know that these are impact rated. If you look behind, you can see what these are. So we got a PH1, PH2, so these are both Phillips 1, Phillips 2s. We got a whole bunch of Phillips 2s all the way to the Phillips 3. Another Phillips 3. These are PZ, so this is posi drive. 1, 2s, and some 3s. We got a square drive, a couple square drive 2s. We got a square drive 3, slotted 3mm, 4mm, a couple 5.5s. We got a 6. We got 2 8s and a 10. We got our Torx bits. So that starts at a T8 and that goes all the way up to a T40. We got some hex drives. So this is a 2mm that goes up to a 6mm. And then we got our long bits here on the bottom. So we got two number 2 Phillips, so number 3 Phillips, posi drive number 2, square drive, 5.5 flathead, T15 Torx, T20, T25, and a 5mm hex. Then we got a couple of sockets. So we got a 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, and 3/8. Says these are magnetic. So if we need to grab onto a bolt, we can drop that guy in. That can make our life a lot easier if we need to get access into a tight area. And then we got a bit extension holder. I do appreciate that these actually swivel out. So that is also magnetic. So we could take any of these bits, throw that guy in here, or we could even take one of the longer bits, drop that in, and get ourselves a little bit extra reach. We do also have our magnetizer, so we can slip that guy on there. And that is strong enough to hold that bolt. Now sometimes they can retain the magnet. And yeah, actually that does hold on pretty well. Grab PH2. Holds in. And I'm just going to drive screw a couple of times. Yeah, I didn't even have that much pressure on that last one, and it still gripped that no problem, no damage to that head. That's a very solid fit. You also have no paint chipped off of there, so no camming out. So overall, that is an excellent set.